Partners like Rewriting the Code are really crucial to the success and foundation of our recruiting strategies. RTC really helps our recruiting pipeline because you all offer so many opportunities for us to have touch points with students throughout the year.
In the past, we have worked with RTC with the Career Summit. We've done the spring recruitment sessions. We've also done the summer tech crawls. And it's nice for us to have a few different touch points throughout the season so that we can make sure that we're a top-of-mind brand. And then once we get to the recruitment season, they can think of us and hopefully join our team as well.
One of our most favorite events that our team looks forward to annually is the Rewriting the Code Summer Tech Crawls that we host in both our SF and New York hubs. We can invite our in-office women engineers that are interested in volunteering with our team in any capacity. They're always really eager to meet with students that are coming from all walks of life and many universities, and it's easy when the students can come to us and we can provide them with just a really rare opportunity to see like the day in the life of a woman engineer at the company.
We're super thrilled and really excited to partner with Rewriting the Code. Part of what we want to do is make sure that we really have a diverse applicant base. And the mission of Rewriting the Code on building up women and empowering women within computer science is something that's incredibly important to us because this is a perspective that we absolutely need as we continue to diversify our overall engineering organization. And at the end of the day, what we want to do is open up the aperture of where we get talent from. And Rewriting the Code plays a really important role in opening up the aperture to finding talent that we might not have otherwise access to.